Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to share the tutorials how to delete or deactivate your Instagram account that no longer used on your phone or device. So here I already have the account that I want to delete from my phone, and the things we're gonna do is just go into the profile sections over here, and then after we go into the profile, just go in the upper right corner. We can see that here there is a 3 straight line. Just click it and go into the setting buttons. And after that, we can go into the personal details on the account center. And then after we arrived or after we goes into the account center, just click this personal details. And then after that, there is several information, either contact info, birthday, and account ownership and control. And now we just need to go to account ownership and control. And now we can choose the deactivation or deletions. And now we can choose which account that we want to delete here, and then we also can choose to either deactivate the account or delete the account. Since I want to delete it, I just want to click the delete account and then continue. And then we need to give a reason why we want to delete this Instagram account. And then I want to choose want to remove something. Since I want to remove this, and then click continue. And then after that, we can click continues again. And now we just need to enter the password of this account. Okay, and after that, just click continue. And now confirm to delete the account. And hold on, now your account is already deleted. So that's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.